Yo, mga tropa, gagawa tayo ng bechamel sauce. Tayo sa kitchen. Ito, nying. Ito, mga tropa. Lagay na ako ng butter dito. Nimelt ko lang yung butter. Yan. Pagka mainit na, lagyan natin yung flour. Flour, Gravillera cheese, pepper, salt, egg yolk, and yung milk. Say hi to the peeps here, bro. Yeah. He's my friend, Madan. Say hi, bro.
Hello.
You wanna shout out somebody? Someone? No? Okay. Then, pagka mainit na yung butter, pwede na natin ilagay yung flour. Iwis mo lang na iwis mo lang sa mag-uong siya. Kasi ginagawa ko, sinasalat ko yung itong butter na may flour pagka nagluluto para alam ko kung naluto na ba yung flour. Pag medyo rough pa siya, konti pa. After nun, lalagyan mo yung milk. Ang paggawa ng bechamel. Go! Stop natin yung gas. Wait lang tayo mga 1 minute. Medyo nagbo-boil na siya. Pwede mo ilagay yung milk. Pwede mo na i-adjust yung apoy. Ito ang texture niya. Another whisk. Hindi mo siya pwedeng ma-burn. Pag na-burn mo siya, ulit ka. Kaya kailangan medyo low fire ka lang dyan. Sa mga hindi nga pala nakakalam, ang bechamel isa sa mga mother sauce. Bechamel. 5 mother sauce. Okay? Wait lang, lalagay ko lang dito. Milk. 1 liter. Dahan-dahan lang siya nilalagay. Para hindi nag-skip. we're supposed to heat the milk. I worked before, I made the milk not boil, like temperature. See, when you make a room like this, something, the part feels like that. So you should have the milk also.
Boil the blood. First of all, boil the meat.
Yes. It's not necessary, but the way I made before it's like that. So you don't need to wait for the milk to boil. Yes. Can you hold the running of the milk?
Okay.
So guys, here's the bechamel right now. It's absolutely fine, but I need to add more milk, so it's gonna be runny, you know. Bechamel. This where we will put it into moussaka, Greek moussaka. Oh, I like the texture, man. Now, we will put the final amount of the milk. And later on, we're gonna add the seasoning, salt, pepper,
Make.
and what is this? Gravy cheese, nutmeg. Now, if the texture is like this, we can add now and let's reduce the fire. Okay, we're gonna add the seasoning, nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Whisk. And then the Gruyere cheese. Melt it. The last, egg yolk. The last item that we will put here into our what do you call this? Bechamel. Bechamel for Greek moussaka. Taste the moussaka. Later on, we will taste the moussaka here after this. Oh, wow. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you for the next more vlog.